Hello everyone, I'm Shannon Cantner and you're watching CMSD in 60, bringing you some of the top headlines happening all across the district this week in about 60 seconds. This episode has all of the back-to-school info you need. It's here. The first day of school for most of the district is Monday. A big welcome back to our students and staff. You can find all of the district's back-to-school info you need at clevelandmetroschools.org/back-to-school, like start and end times, school uniform details, important phone numbers, and more. You can also call the back-to-school hotline at 216-838-3675, and for transportation questions, call 216-838-4BUS. That's 4287. Seniors at Lincoln West School of Science and Health have an exciting opportunity this school year. On Monday, MetroHealth is hosting a workshop to prepare them for 200-hour internships with the hospital that will begin in October in areas like nursing, art and music therapy, marketing, information technology, and more. This is the first year of the senior internship program at the school, and it's here to stay as a culminating activity for all students entering their fourth year at Lincoln West School of Science and Health. From the class of 2019 to the class of 2031, Friday is the first full day of kindergarten. Make sure to check with your child's school for more details, and you can always visit clevelandmetroschools.org/back-to-school. We're talking a lot about back to school, but maybe your child is ready to begin school. CMSD has many free, high-quality preschool options across the district, and there are still seats available in pre-K for this school year. For more information, contact CMSD's Office of Early Childhood Education at 216-838-0110. That's all the time we have. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we hope everyone has a wonderful start to the 2018-2019 school year. For more in-depth news stories, you can always visit the CMSD News Bureau website at clevelandmetroschools.org/news. We'll see you next week.